this is the best training in my experience.
I got real-time experience. Confident also, I will get the job.
Since even a layman can understand your teaching.
Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Hi Karthik. Hi Venu.
Hi,
Hi Vinod.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. How are you doing, all of you?
I'm doing
Yeah.
good. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing so.
Doing good. Thanks for asking. Yeah. So
Yes, sir. My name is Vaivnod Kumar. I'm basically from Bangalore itself. Currently, I'm working as a account receivable associate, which is healthcare domain. It's AR college. It's totally wise process about the healthcare domain. One of my friend referred you regarding this business analyst course. Before contacting you, I gather some information about the positions, and I contact you. You gave me a good motivation about the current domain, which is healthcare domain, and it will be how it will be helpful to the business analyst. And I got motivated, and I have attended your demo session. Can I proceed with this
yes, yes,
this experience?
yes.
Yes, I have attended the demo session. In the demo session, I got to know about the domain and how importance about my current domain, how I'm working, and how it will be impact to a business analyst. After that, in the demo session, I can remember you have explained with the clear examples using this movie shot
Correct.
screenshots.
Yes.
It gives more information about the BA and responsibility of BA, and I felt how it will be easy.
Very
I have
good.
done like some other courses also in my
All right.
past.
Okay.
So after 10 days or 15 days, I got to know it will be not capable. I'm not capable for this course.
All
But
right.
during these sessions, business analyst test sessions, I didn't feel any time it's not capable or capable. I didn't feel about that. I only concentrate on the knowledge which you transfer to me and the way of explanation. And if I call about some questions or anything regarding the guidance of the experience, I got everything what I'm expected. And I have seen some other consultancies also. Nobody will help, nobody will contact personally,
Yes.
and nobody will take care about any individual persons.
Correct.
They will create some groups and they will share some PDFs in the group.
Correct.
They will attend only at the time when they require the sessions.
Correct.
But yes, and I have seen this BA course. You are never mention about the fees. You are never mention about any. You didn't do any partiality about the fees or any other things. You only prefer the knowledgeable persons. You won't care about any other persons like who are not interesting into the this course. I have
Correct.
observed that.
Correct. So many people don't know about this training which I'm offering. Is it kind of basic level, or will it be from scratch level, or it will be from real-time training? How it is? How do you felt?
You started from scratch and basic to till as a real experience, sir.
Okay.
You will explain exact domain, both domains currently. For example, currently you given a training for a healthcare domain. You given basic about the healthcare,
Yeah.
and you given the training for the business analyst from basics, which can understandable even recently passed out candidates also can easily understandable, uh, and also you given clear cut information about the projects, how it will be real, how the business analyst will really work in the work
Work environment.
space.
Yeah.
Yes, work environment. And also you have you have explained about the roles, the BA will work and deals with whom and how it will be,
Yes.
everything you given us. And it's kind of short time, so 40 days is a big deal, but I didn't feel anything. It's like it's complete within short.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
in between the courses, I got motivated by you. Like currently I'm working. Currently I'm working even though I'm maintaining a book, uh, and I'm carrying to the office. I'm looking for that. So the thing is, every meetings, every sessions, you will be asking the questions in between the meetings. That is giving a effective on the meetings. Um while asking the questions, if anybody is not answering, that will be you are giving examples and you will motivate to learn about the topics. That is a way. The way is very like it's nice.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
And
Vinod.
finally,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And finally, thank you for this opportunity, and thank you for your training. I hope these are best training for this is the best training in my experience. Thank you for that.
Thank you. I'm so humble that it was helped my trainings for you. I really wish that you get a job very soon. So I'll be supportive you. I will be supportive until you get a job. So all the best.
My name is Venu. Actually, I have a total 10 plus of, years of experience in another other technologies like GIS and Google Maps and all. After that,
Okay.
I changed as a BA business analyst and worked in TCS in contract position 1 year. But I didn't get much of knowledge in that 1 year as a business analyst. But
Okay.
after completion of my contract in TCS, actually I want to join some other company, but I didn't get. I don't have much knowledge regarding the business analyst. So
Mm-hmm.
that I taken some break also. After that, again I searched a lot of videos in YouTube, but I didn't get who is explaining like. Real-time scenarios and real-time what how it will be there, what are the rules will be there and all, and get in a lot of I searched a lot of videos, but I didn't get much of information. But recently I started to research in YouTube videos. I find your video, and I thought that this is very useful for me. And after that I contacted you through phone call. Then I asked everything.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at this position and I want to join this course and I want to learn full details of the as a business analyst and I want to join some other company and all. Then that time you given me yes, we know I will teach you and I will help you and I will support you and all. Then as per that I joined
Okay.
and
So how was
then I
we are done with the course, right? So did I standard with
yes.
that commitment or did I missed any the promise that I made?
Yes, everything is correct. Whatever you said, that commitments, everything you fulfilled. Really, I didn't expected this much of knowledge from your end. Really, I learned a lot of things regarding about this course as a business analyst. Previously,
Okay.
I don't know even what is the rules will be there, who will be the participants in the teams and all. I don't know. But
Okay.
once I joined with you, I learned a lot of things and I got real time experience and now I have a very confident
Okay.
about this course and I have a confident also I will get the job and yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity and your support and your training and
Thank you, Venu. Your the way you speaking that kind of make me feel that you are so confident to give the interviews and get a job. So I really wish that you also get a job very soon. So I'll be definitely there to support in terms of clearing the interview, getting a job, and all these things until you get a job, successful job. I will be there. Thank you for that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
To give overview of myself, I am Karthik. I currently based from Bangalore. Since I completed my graduation as in business administration in 2023, see, my background is from business, right? So I was not interested in coding side. I mean technical. So I'm more passionate towards business. I thought to continue my career in business field. So I was searching for many courses. I mean to set my career. I don't know which path was which path is right. So I was researching to choose my path, career path. I was seeing YouTube videos. I thought to be a business analyst. Somehow I finally found your videos. It was more interactive. It was easy understanding. So I thought, why not? I can join here for a course. So I called you and I got some information from you. I was more interested. So I enrolled into course. Since I enrolled, I did not feel any regret that I have joined. Why did I join here? Because the way you are interacting I mean, interaction between the students was very good. Like you are asking every question. I mean, you are giving tasks for based on that daily session. So
Correct.
we are more interested and we are learning every day. So that made us, it gave confidence to become business analyst. And if I come to the fee, I researched from many other consultancies. They were charging around 50,000, 60,000 just for 2 months of course. I thought it is more. And even when you told your fees, I thought even it is more. Since I enrolled, I did not feel regret about that. I thought it is very less amount compared to others.
Correct.
So I feel great and I learned so much from you, sir. Yeah, and I'm very confident since even a layman can understand your teaching. It will be much interactive. So I would like to tell even any aspirants who are willing to become a business analyst can easily join into this course and continue their career as a business analyst. Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah,
Karthik.
I feel I can get into a job in another in 1 month. I have that confidence so that I can land into job. So wish me the best of luck so that I feel much confident from your end, sir. Thank you.
Karthik, first of all, I have noticed you in these 40 days. You are more kind of paid attentive all these 40 days. So I guarantee that you will definitely land a job. And I'll be there to support
Yeah, sir.
you. You can always approach me whenever the help is needed. So I'll be
Sure,
there to
sir.
support you. So thank you for the kind words.